The length of a rectangle is 3 times the length of a smaller rectangle. The two rectangles have the same width. The area of the smaller rectangle is a square units. The area of the larger rectangle is ka square units. Which of the following is the value of k? So we're given some information about these rectangles. We have two of them. They both share the same width. One rectangle's length is 3 times the length of the smaller. The area of the smaller rectangle is a, and the area of the larger rectangle is k times a. So we're asked to find k. So k is a coefficient that is multiplied times the area of the smaller to increase it. So there's two ways to go about this. The first is we'll do everything algebraically, and we'll make all the dimensions relative to the smaller rectangle. So we declare L as the length of the smaller rectangle, and from our given information, we're told the larger one has a length 3 times that of the smaller, so we'll call it 3L is the larger rectangle's length. And we're also told they share the same width, so we can just use W as our width for both rectangles. So using our area formula for rectangles, area is length times width, which will be A for the smaller rectangle. The area of the larger one, instead of writing L for a larger one, we'll use the 3L with respect to the smaller one. So 3L times W is the area for the large. And so if we pull 3 out, you'll see that LW is shared to both the small and area of the large. So the coefficient for K is 3. An alternative way to do this is just to choose dimensions and roll out your calculations. So we'll declare the small rectangle having a length of 2 and a width of 3. So the area of a rectangle with those dimensions would be 6. We'll do the same with a large rectangle, but because you chose the smaller length, you have to multiply it by 3 because it's 3 times the length. So the larger one will have a length of 6, and again they share the same width, so W equals 3. And the area of the larger rectangle is 18. So if you look at what would need to be true to increase the area by k, you just take the area of the large divided by the area of the small, and you'll find that the answer is also 3.